Hi, my name is Lydia Chen and I am the founder of Yourator. Yourator is an employer branding and recruitment platform for internet company and startups. Many seminars are held by incubators here in Taiwan, but most of these only teach you one aspect of fundraising. And TSS's Term Sheet Bootcamp actually give you an overlook of how fundraising happens and give you a very comprehensive knowledge on fundraising. The instructor of TSS Term Sheet Bootcamp are very experienced venture capitalists, and the members who participate in this bootcamp is also very well-known entrepreneurs. So this is a great place to meet great mentors and friends. Join us!